Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Kia remote key fob. What we need to do first is slide the emergency blade out the bottom of the fob to gain access. We do this by pressing this button here, which releases the catch, and we can slide the blade out like so. Now, using the blade, what we need to do is split the two halves of the case. I'll just demonstrate. At this point here, where you can just pop the blade, it's a perfect size for the blade. You pop it in that little groove and you just twist like so, which breaks the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful because the buttons on the front are loose and they can fall out, along with the circuit board and the two bits on the side here, which can pop off. So just be very careful. There is your key fob battery. We just need to remove it from its housing, like so. You may use the blade to help you. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. What we need to do is just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards towards you, like that. Now it's time just to pop the two halves of the case together. Like I said before, just be very careful with the bits so they don't all fall out. Make sure everything lines up and just click it in place. And now it's just time to pop the blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.